Hey everyone, I'm going to be doing a quick shop tour here. I won't go into too many details, but I will cover my main pieces of equipment here. I'll just kind of start at one side and go to the other. This is my Austrian Anvil. It's much older than most of your English pattern anvils. The swage block, where we drift out the axes and hammers. This is the chili forge for our production work, and the coal forge for everything else. There's some axe blanks. There's Audrey. 50-ton hydraulic forging press with interchangeable dies. It's got a 7.5 horse Baldor motor on it. Here are the dies that I've made for it, for axes, hammers, and everything else that we make. Round to the post leg vise. I think it's like 5 and 4.5 or 5-inch post leg vise. Tool rack, main anvil. This is a 280-pound Swedish anvil. It's our main workhorse. More tools on the wall. This is our schedule for the week. Cheesy success quotes. And this is an anvil that I got just back in December. I basically just use it for a cooling rack. It works really well. See, it's got an underneath compartment on top. It weighs more than it looks like it would. It's like 350 pounds. And then the bandsaw for cutting out all of our axe handles. Let me get a quick wide shot of the forge room. The forge room is 200 square feet. Alright, now into the machine room, where we do all of our finishing, handle work, polishing, grinding, that sort of stuff. This room is 100 square feet. It is insulated, stays warm in the summer, stays cool, or sorry, it stays warm in the winter, stays cool in the summer. So we've got a layout table here. It's just solid granite with lights and just miscellaneous finishing stuff. That's a knife vise. This is the disc grinder, primarily used in knife making. Extra tooling arms with attachments for the KMG belt grinder. Dust collection system underneath. This is our Baldor Buffer for polishing, finishing, removing burrs off of edges. This is one of the heat treating ovens in the shop. This is our smaller one. It's primarily dedicated for knives and just oddball projects now that we've got a larger one. This is my little milling machine. And this is my axe handle station. Right here basically just consists of that small anvil, this vise, the draw knife, and this hole in the table. And you can check out my YouTube video, how to hang an axe, and you'll see exactly how all that is used. Underneath here is my wood stash, all my exotic woods for knife handles in there. That is a 15-gallon quench tank. It's filled with commercial quench oil for the axes. There's our larger heat treating oven. It can hold up to around 20 axes depending on the size. More cheesy success quotes. It's kind of cramped in here, but I'm going to be looking for a new shop hopefully this fall. Here's another wide shot of the forge room. This is where everything starts, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out the shop. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.